everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Isa and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Today I got my first Boxycharm box, but not only did I get one Boxycharm box, I got two. And I don't really know why. One is heavier than the other, so maybe there's two different things in it. I'm not particularly sure, but we're gonna find out together. So, you know what? Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start off with the lighter one because I'm very intrigued and I wanna know why I have two boxes. So let's just cut into this bad boy and let's see. Let's open her up. Okay, Galaxy Glow. Wait a minute. This is the February box. So apparently I got February and March's box at the same time. So that's kind of exciting. So I actually don't know I only know the theme of February's box, which I'm kind of excited. So yeah, so it's Galaxy Glow. And I got, ooh, a little holographic action going on. And it is a Naked Cosmetics palette, I'm assuming. Ooh, it's a highlighting palette. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I'm super excited. Do some swatching. Wow, these are really, really pretty. Very colorful, very Galaxy, that's for sure. So that's what they look like. They're super shimmery and very pretty. That's exciting. Now I have shimmer all over myself, but that's okay. First little thing. Dust that off the hands. And I've got, got some loose pigment from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. And it is in this nice little gold color, which is kind of exciting. I don't really use a lot of loose pigments, but you know, it's okay. And it looks like I have a little brush trio from Crown Pro, and I actually really love their brushes. I have a few of their brushes, and that's kind of exciting. Let's just rip this open. See what kind of brushes we got. We got a little crease blending brush, and we got a dome blender, which seems like it'd be good for contour. And then a little brush that doesn't have a name, but looks good for blush. I like it. I love getting brushes in subscription boxes because you can never have too many brushes. And then we have a little vintage eye pencil in black. I like that. Ooh, very nice, very smooth. Not a big fan of pencil eyeliners. I don't really use them. They just go into a drawer and are lost forever. And then the last thing, ooh, I'm really excited about this. It's a Color Effects little thingy. I don't really know what it is. It's a shimmer veil. Let's see what color we have. Let's go put this box over here. Ooh, and it's kind of like a iridescent pink, and that's called Amethyst. So it's in this little pink color. Let's do some swatch action, see what it really looks like. This would look so pretty on the eye. So it looks like this. It is really shiny. I'm very excited. I've never gotten anything from Color Effects, so this is the first little Color Effects in my collection, so I'm excited about that. But that's all we got. This is February's box, so that's kind of cool that I got both February and March. I did place my order in February, so that's probably why I got both of them. So that's kind of exciting. Just close those up. And now let's move on to this month's box, which is very heavy. I don't know what's in it. Just slice that open. Let's check it out. Open her up. Ooh. And see a few things in here. So it tells us what the price of everything on the back. Now the first thing that I see is it's called a Pretty Vulgar. And it is a blush, and it's called a Prim Vixen. The packaging's kind of cool, it's plasticky. It's very, very pink. Now, I'm not entirely sure if I would use a blush this pink, I go for more peach blushes, and this one costs a whopping $26. And the next thing I'm seeing is South Main 3 Eye Gel Packs. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes under eye area. Now, I am a huge fan of little under eye jelly, little mask things, and you get 3 in the box, which is nice. You don't just get one, which is kind of cool. And it costs $10. So, you know, we've already gotten the price out of our box because it's a $21 a month subscription box. And the next thing I'm seeing is Bella Pierre Volumizing Mascara. And open her up. Just gonna destroy the packaging right off the bat. And let's see. I like the packaging, it's very nice. Not a huge fan of the brush. It's kind of small. I think it would do a pretty good job volumizing. I'm not entirely sure. I'm really, really picky about mascaras. I have my mascara and I probably never change it. But this one is $20 and it's long-lasting volumizing mascara formulated to help create thicker and fuller lashes. Okay, I'll try it out. I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. And then the next thing in our little box, is another set of brushes. So these are the Vintage Cosmetic Smoky Eye Brush Set. I've tried this brand before and I do like their brushes. They're very soft and I can't get the box open. That's always fun. Come on, open up. I just wanna see what they look like. I have some blending brushes from them. And these are definitely full-size brushes. And you've got a little, oh, I love this. 1 for the money, 2 for the shadow, 3 for the go girl go. I like that, that's cute. So you have like a little short packing brush, and then a little bigger fluffy packing brush, and then a kind of angling blending brush. Excited about this, like I always say, you never have too many brushes. So then these are a whopping $23.50. I like it. And then the last thing I'm seeing in our box, which is very big, and was probably what's making this box super heavy. Ooh, it's a palette. It's a big palette. It is a Boxycharm collab with Pure. She's stickered shut, so give me a second to open her up. You know, come on, anything. Ha! I've gotten one sticker off. So that doesn't really help us. You know, just along the way. I just want to see what the shadows look like. Open up. Okay, finally got her open. So it seems to be a Boxycharm collab with Pure. And then you open it up and you take out this little thing and it is gorgeous. Ooh, I'm liking that. This is the colors. How cute is this? Ooh, I love it. Got some bright colors, got some good transition seeds. Oh, I am excited to dip into this bad boy. Let's just swatch this blue one and see what we got. Oh, mother of pigment. Yes. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna dip into another one now. Let's take this shimmery kind of, ooh, very creamy. A little kickback, but not too bad. Also, very, very pigmented. I'm gonna go into this kind of plummy color because she's calling my name. Also, very creamy. I think I'm very much gonna like this. Like, that is very, see, these are super creamy and very pigmented. Oh, I am excited. And that's the last thing. And this one cost a whopping $36. So far I am very excited and very impressed with this box. Very, oof, got some skincare, got some makeup, some brushes, got a full spectrum of things, which I quite enjoy. This is definitely different from my Ipsy boxes because I'm so used to getting like the tiniest little baby samples you've ever seen in your life. And they were just getting smaller and smaller, and I was just kind of like, it's not really worth it anymore. And this is totally, totally worth it. To get a full-size palette, some brushes, mascara, a full-size blush, I'm about it. I'm for it. I am here for it. So I can't wait to try these out and let you guys know what I think. I'm super glad. I'm so glad that I got both months' boxes. I was really only expecting to get March's box because I was put on the waiting list, but no, both boxes. Super excited to see what's to come. Well, that's all that I have for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe. I'll be here absolutely every single Saturday and sometimes on Wednesdays. And as always, I love you guys very, very, very much. And until next time, bye!